Hello, welcome. Can I help you with anything?
Hi, I'm just looking for some fruit and vegetables.
All of our fresh produce is right here.
Thank you. I need some apples. Are these local?
Yes, they're from a farm just outside the city. They're very sweet.
Great, I'll take 5. And where is the milk?
The dairy section is in the back, past the bread.
Got it. I'm also looking for a specific kind of yogurt. Do you have Greek yogurt with honey?
Let me check. Yes, we do. It's on the top shelf, next to the regular yogurt.
Perfect, thank you. Can I pay with my card?
Yes, our card reader is right here. That will be $15.50.
Okay, here's my card.
Thank you. The payment is complete. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Picking up a prescription at the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm here to pick up a prescription for John Smith.
One moment. Yes, I have it here. This is for your allergies, right?
That's right.
The doctor recommends you take one pill every morning.
Okay, thank you. Do I need to avoid anything while taking this?
No, but it's best to take it with a full glass of water.
Okay, good to know. How much does it cost?
With your insurance, the total is $10. Do you want to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Here you are. The machine is ready.
Thanks. And can I ask a quick question? My friend has a cough. Do you have anything for that without a prescription?
Yes, we have a few options. The cough syrup is very popular.
Is it for a dry cough or a wet cough?
It works for both. It will help clear up the mucus.
Good, I'll take a bottle for him.
Okay, that will be an additional $8. Total is $18.
Sounds good. Here's my card again.
Thanks. Your transaction is complete. Have a great day.
You too.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. Are you lost?
A little bit. I'm trying to find the train station. Is it far from here?
No, it's about a 10-minute walk.
Okay, great. So, how do I get there?
You see that big bank building on the corner?
Yes.
Walk past that for 2 blocks, and then turn left at the traffic light.
Left at the traffic light, got it.
Then you'll walk straight for about 3 more blocks. You will see the station on your. It has a big clock on top.
So past the bank, left at the light, and then straight for 3 blocks.
Exactly. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. Have a good trip.
Making a doctor's appointment.
Good morning, Dr. Sharma's office. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Are you a new patient or have you been here before?
I'm a new patient.
Okay, what is the reason for your visit?
I've had a bad headache for a few days, and it's not going away.
I see Dr. Sharma has an opening on Thursday at 2:30 p.m. Would that work for you?
Is there anything earlier? I'd really like to be seen sooner.
Let me check. We have a cancellation. Someone just called and canceled their appointment for tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Oh, that's perfect. Yes, I'll take it.
All right, so that's tomorrow at 10 a.m. We'll send you a confirmation email with all the details.
Thank you so much. What should I bring with me?
Please bring your ID and your insurance card. It would also be helpful if you could fill out the new patient forms on our website before you come in.
Okay, I'll do that. Thanks again for your help.
You're very welcome. We'll see you tomorrow.
Returning a book to the library.
Hello, do you have your library card?
Hi, yes, here it is. I want to return this book.
Thank you. Let me scan it. It seems this book is overdue. It was due last week.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought I had one more week.
No problem. It happens. There is a small late fee of $1.50.
Okay, is it possible to pay with a card?
Yes, our card machine is right here.
Thank you. And while I'm here, can you help me find a book called The Art of Writing?
Let's check the system. Yes, we have it. It's on the third floor in the nonfiction section. Shelf number 4.
The third floor, nonfiction, shelf 4. Got it.
Would you like me to reserve it for you so no one else takes it?
Oh, that's a good idea. Yes, please.
Okay, I've reserved it for you. You have until the end of the day to pick it up.
Great. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Have a good day.
Asking for a favor at the office.
Hey, Jesi, do you have a minute?
Hey, Jain. Yeah, sure. What's up?
I was wondering if you could help me with something.
Maybe, what do you need?
I have to finish this report by 5 p.m., but I have a meeting that will take up the next hour. Could you look over the numbers for me?
The numbers in the report?
Yes, just a quick check to make sure there are no typos. It would be a huge help.
Of course, I can do that. Just email it over to me.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I can get you a coffee later if you want.
No need, but I'm happy to help. What's the deadline for my part?
As soon as you can, but no rush. The final deadline is 5 p.m.
Okay, I'll get it done as soon as I can.
Perfect. Thanks again. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime.